Today we will talk about fruits. Which fruits are good and which fruits are bad. Most people think that eating more fruit can be good and useful. But this is not true for all fruits. Eating too much of some fruits can be harmful to our health. Why do we eat fruit? What fruits should we eat? How much fruit can be useful to eat? We mistakenly consider fruits and vegetables to be the same. We think that fruits are not harmful like vegetables. Fruits are healthy and nutritious and have a lot of vitamins, so we can consume as much as we want. But this is not the case, and consuming a large amount of fruit can be troublesome. In ancient times, fruit was not always available. There was fruit only in special seasons of the year, because in the past there was no greenhouse, genetic manipulation, and cold storage for growing and preserving fruit. Keeping fruit was also impossible, and our ancestors ate fruit only in special seasons. Fruit was available in summer and before winter, and after winter there was no fruit to eat. Therefore, it is not necessary for the body to eat fruit continuously. Why do we eat fruit? Do we need a lot of vitamins? But fruits are full of sugar, and sugar can make us fat. How can consuming too much sugar make us fat? With rising blood sugar, and of course insulin. But the sugar in fruits is not only glucose. Fructose is a sugar that the body can't do anything with, except turn it into fat and store it in the belly and sides. So we have to distinguish which fruit is good and which fruit is bad. But what to do with vitamins? Vitamins are important for the body, and we can get them in different ways. If you eat healthy food, you don't need to worry about vitamins. When we find a vitamin problem, that we constantly eat low-quality foods such as fast food or prepared foods, and then we start eating a lot of fruits or vitamin pills to solve the vitamin problem. As a result, a large amount of sugar enters the body and causes obesity and liver problems. If the food is healthy and useful, there is no need to consume a lot of vitamins. Now let's go to the good fruits list. Number 1. Apple. Apples are rich in fiber and low in sugar. Number 2. Strawberries. With low sugar percentage and high fiber. Number 3. Oranges. Oranges are a source of vitamins and fiber. And number 4. Pears. Note that low-calorie and high-fiber fruits are among the good and useful fruits because the fiber in these fruits causes the rapid synthesis of sugar in the body and prevents fat storage. But the bad fruits. Due to the high amount of calories and sugar of these fruits, their consumption is not recommended for diabetics and those who want to lose weight. Number 1. Grapes. Grapes have twice as much sugar and calories as usual. Number 2. Banana. The more ripe the banana, the more sugar it has, and it is not recommended for people with diabetes. Number 3. Mangoes. Mangoes have a lot of sugar and low fiber and are not recommended for people who want to lose weight. Excessive consumption of high-calorie and high-sugar fruits that have little fiber can cause overweight and diabetic problems. Therefore, avoid consuming these types of fruits to supply your daily vitamins. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. Please share your comments with us and subscribe to the YouTube channel Be Healthy. Be healthy.